Pakistan Bar Council, being the apex body for lawyers, vehemently condemn the ongoing social media campaign targeting honorable judges. While it is acceptable to criticize a particular judgment, it is entirely unacceptable to launch personal attacks and engage in character assassination against honorable judges via social media platform. Judges have consistently upheld the rule of law and demonstrated an unwavering commitment to justice. A recent example of such reprehensible behavior is the malicious and slanderous campaign against the Honorable Chief Justice of Pakistan, Mr. Justice Qazi Faiz Issa. This campaign aimed at tarnishing the reputation of the Supreme Court and undermining the credibility of the Honorable Chief Justice of Pakistan is founded on deliberate distortions of a Supreme Court decision. It is unacceptable for the court's decisions to be manipulated for political purposes, and certain individuals have resorted to spreading false and fabricated information to incite violence and foster hatred. I would like to utilize this platform to highlight the symbiotic relationship between the bar and the judiciary. It is crucial to recognize that Pakistan Bar Council serve as vigilant observers of the judiciary. Any feedback provided by the bar, especially the Pakistan Bar Council, carries significant importance as we, the legal fraternity, are dedicated to the improvement and achievement of the judiciary. Lawyers have consistently been at the forefront advocating for the preservation and advancement of the judiciary. In addition to the concerns highlighted earlier, I would like to draw attention to the matter concerning the framing of rules of the Judicial Commission of Pakistan. It has been brought to the attention of the Pakistan Bar Council that amendments to the rules of the Judicial Commission of Pakistan have been drafted by the subcommittee of the Judicial Commission of Pakistan. I trust that a meeting of the Judicial Commission of Pakistan will be convened promptly to approve the amendments proposed by the subcommittee. Furthermore, there is an urgent need to address the issue of vacant positions, particularly the 22 vacancies in the Lahore High Court and 8 vacancies in the High Court of Sindh. We extend our appreciation for the recent judgment delivered by the Supreme Court concerning the critical issue of the Supreme Court Practice and Procedure Act 2023. In this landmark decision, the Honorable Chief Justice demonstrated a commendable commitment to upholding democratic principle by limiting his own powers and advocating for the legislative process of Parliament. This proactive stance promotes transparency and accountability within our legal framework, fostering a healthier democratic environment. We express our appreciation for the initiative undertaken by the Honorable Chief Justice to streamline the process of case fixation in the Supreme Court. However, while acknowledging this positive step, we believe there is a room for further improvement. We also commend to issuance of cause lists for a period of 1 month and the formation of benches for the same duration, which enhance transparency and efficiency within the judicial system. As we bid farewell to Mr. Justice Sardar Tariq Masood, let us not mourn the culmination of a distinguished career, but rather celebrate the enduring legacy of legal luminary whose contributions to the cause of justice all resonate for eternity. Let us draw solace from the knowledge that though his lordship may be retiring from the bench, his legacy shall endure as a beacon of hope and inspiration for generations to come. In conclusion, let us extend our heartiest gratitude to Mr. Justice Sardar Tariq Masood for his decades of service to the cause of justice, his unwavering commitment to upholding the rule of law, and his profound impact on the legal landscape of our nation. By the grace of Allah Almighty, may his retirement be blessed with peace, prosperity, and the warm embrace of the loved ones. Ameen.